In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use the cropping tools in MetaCam Studio to precisely extract your region of interest. Click cross-section to enclose the point cloud in a bounding box. To rotate the box, click and drag any of the circular rings along the X, Y, or Z axis. To resize it, click and drag the directional arrows to push or pull any of the 6 faces. To reposition the entire box, click and drag the handles to move it in any of the 6 directions. Only the point cloud inside will be saved. If on-screen adjustments aren't precise enough, you can manually enter values in the right panel. Here, X, Y, and Z define the center coordinates. Scale X, Y, and Z adjust the dimensions. And rotation X, Y, and Z control the angles along each axis. Click the reset icon to instantly revert all settings, or cancel to exit the tool. Once ready, click the export button. After processing, the cropped point cloud will appear in the layer panel. To save it, right-click its name, select Save File, choose a save path, and click Save. Alternatively, you can draw a custom boundary around your target area. Click Segment, then left-click to outline your region of interest. Right-click to close the shape. The selected area will highlight in red. Click the inside icon to isolate only the data within the boundary, or outside to view the part beyond it. Click Clear to reset and redraw. Click Cancel to exit the tool. Once the crop area is verified, click the Export button. After processing, the layer panel will generate 2 new files, one for the inside point cloud and the other for the outside. To save the desired file, right-click its name, select Save File, choose a path, and click Save.